Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bunker Hill Security digital wall safe and you need to replace the batteries. Now you might already know that you need to replace the batteries, or you might be here because the red light is on constantly on the keypad of this safe. And basically what happens is when the batteries get low, the red light will come on the keypad indicating that the batteries need to be replaced, and you should do that really immediately because you don't want the batteries to go dead while the safe is closed, because then you'll have issues. You have to do an override. Anyways, to replace the batteries, it's really easy. We're just going to open the safe, and on the inside of the door we will find this the battery cover area, and we're just going to use just this tab here. We'll press on it and it will release the cover and then we'll just need 4 AA batteries. If you don't have the AA batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them at a good price with free shipping. But anyways, so you'll pull those out and you'll put the new batteries in, just making sure you're following the same polarity of plus and minus on the batteries. Put the cover back on, and that's really all there is to it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.